Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to this huge Nguyen Phan Toi. Please apologize if I mispronounce it again. But we're gonna go here to the left now. At the barbecue chicken, we have to go to the left. This is the route. So many people of you ask me, where's the pork belly banh mi? Where is it? Where is it? It's here, guys. If you see the barbecue chicken at the main road, you go in here, and then at the end of the street is the light that brings you to heaven. And what is this building? That's interesting.
It's a shop house.
I'm not even sure if it's I think it's a whole commercial building. This is a shop house. And this is
Also.
no. This looks good. Look at this, Marcus.
What?
It looks like a nice building.
You're using magnificent.
Magnificent. Magnificent.
Yeah. Exactly this.
Magnificent. But this is buncha ka, bro. That's not buncha. It's fish cakes, and a coffee shop. Interesting. I had dinner here one time, somewhere here, I think, in the street, Bunda Mam Tom. But I think they closed down. Oh no. Oh, I think it was here. They closed down, guys. No, it's over there. Never mind. Bunda Mam Tom. Over there. But I don't see any sign anymore.
So it's also not here.
Or am I stupid? Somewhere it was here. Yeah, it was there, but they completely tear down the Bunda Mam Tom restaurant. What a sad story, guys. Bunda Mam Tom restaurant's dying out here, guys. It's because I stopped eating it. I swear to God.
What kind of dish is this?
This is what you hate.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it may be for a reason.
The fermented shrimp sauce. You know, I asked Nihat the other day. He was like, Sammy, please be honest now to me. I tried out a sauce. From a Vietnamese lady showed me a sauce. And it was the worst thing I've ever experienced in my life. Don't tell me this is the sauce you always eat.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, it is that. He was like, bro, it is the nastiest, blah, 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 blah. He was freaking out. Yeah. But here, this is Ong Fu Dat. Hello! This is the owner here. Hello! Xin chao. Xin chao. How are you? No, I'm full. But thank you so much, okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, this is the owner, guys. It's funny. So, yeah, look at this beautiful pork belly, guys. But he remembers me because I was one of the first guys who made a video. I mean, in the English-speaking sector, definitely. Oh, look at this.
What?
Bun bo. This is new.
Do you really think
Beef noodles. Bro, I've never seen
I
it.
have also Hutju.
Yeah, I never seen it, and I've been here often. Huh. And do you think the nice German Vietnamese they're closed? I hope they're not closed permanently.
But it's the second time
Yeah.
they close. We passed by and they closed.
My God. Maybe we should bring all the Germans there. They were so nice to us. Oh, look at this beautiful fruit here. Now let's go. I'm gonna show you my old place
Tell me.
where I got 1 million views on TikTok. I'm a food TikToker in Vietnam. It's funny. When I got viral one day, I think 2 years ago on TikTok and everything like that, they all posted on Facebook and everything like
This
that.
is also
This
new.
is brand new, yes.
Yes.
Oh, didn't you send me this? Or
Yes,
am I
yes.
this? You
No.
sent me this, right?
Maybe in the beginning because it's maybe 2 months old.
It looks pretty, man.
But
Look at this.
Bagel.
100% vegetarian. Okay,
Salad.
looks pretty nice, yeah.
Yes.
Fine coffee, guys. Yeah,
And
so
it's next to Maya.
when I got viral on TikTok and Facebook and everything like that about me eating so much Mam Tom and mixing banh mi with Mam Tom, even my neighbors talked to me. I saw you on the Facebook. Don't eat so much Mam Tom. Oh man, this was so funny. So many Vietnamese just stopped me as well. I was like, whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, but Mam Tom is not my cup of tea.
The only reason why I don't eat bunda mam tom anymore because I don't want to eat fried tofu. Fried tofu is so unhealthy in my opinion, and I don't want to eat these nasty oils, you know. So I would still eat mam tom. I do eat mam tom actually when I go to the rice shops and everything like that, like where we always go. And I also really enjoy the boon with mam tom, and I enjoy the pork. I'm not sure if it's the pork feet or something. I don't know. They slice it thin, beautiful, and chakum, 100% too. But yeah, this was also a bunda mam tom restaurant. Up there, I was sitting always. Yeah, this was one of my favorite bunda mam tom restaurants.
Now they changed, right?
They had a beautiful gom dam special as well. They even texted me because they saw the video. Same
like
daily.
tacos.
Yeah, that's sad. I tell you, bro, this the bunda mam tom crisis is here. Soon there will not be any bunda mam tom restaurant here anymore. Now you have to go always. I mean, at least one is always there. My favorite here in Da Nang.
It's also
This is a gym?
And also a coffee place.
Okay. Look at this. This is gonna be also a brand new apartment building. I'm wondering what the market will look like in 5 years. Because I think many people come to Da Nang from the videos 2 years ago or 1 year ago. Then they see non-stop construction and nothing looks like the same.
Yeah.
And then they leave again. But in meanwhile, it will be finished everything and then it will be perfect, right? So it will take maybe 2 years and then all those nice buildings are done. Like, look at this. This is the Hem Hotel and apartment. This was a nasty construction site for a long time. But now it's another one here. But this looks also nice. This is gonna belong together. So I'm really, oh, bro, it's open.
It's
and
open now.
what happened to this? A public
I think
holiday.
For today.
So this is, I think it just, there's not even a name on it. I think it's just the Hem Hotel too. They also belong to Stella Maris and to the other hotel here to the right.
It is. And
Yeah, there are
that's
more
also-
of those stylish.
It's also in construction.
Do you think they're gonna be together? No, right? But this looks definitely like a hotel as well.
But they have high ceilings. Look at this.
But this hotel, the Hem apartment hotel, super nice. Definitely. I definitely like this one. What?
Look at this pillar. It's already broken from this construction.
Oh.
They destroyed it.
And a house in between. Yeah, this is, so the Hem means little side alley in Vietnamese, if I'm not wrong, guys, comment below. But what is going on here? Where,
I think it's the ACs.
where is the water coming from, Marcus? This looks like sorcery.
I'm looking, but I don't want to come closer.
Yeah, I don't want to have it on my face.
Man, I don't know.
Yeah, but this year, if there is no crazy, construction site left and right, this is gonna be a nice little area to live because not many people drive through here. What is this hotel here, Marcus? I don't even know. Adela? No. Huh.
I don't know the name. Oh, it's inside. I
In the
think it's
pizza
all
company.
set already.
Should we visit your princess again here?
To be honest, somebody else told me recently.
Yeah.
It's a very, very nice hotel.
Yeah. And it's quiet, even though it's on the main road, but most of the rooms are to the backside.
Very nice.
Oh, Marcus,
Yes?
have you ever been to Ho Chi Minh City?
Yes.
Have you tried Gom Dam there?
Nah, 100% not.
Perfect. Then you will be in for a treat, because that's where it comes from.
Mam Tom?
No. Gom Dam,
Dum.
the rice and pork chop. The broken rice and the pork chop. So that's why they always call it also here, Gom Dam Saigon. It's just like Bun Cha Hanoi, because this is where it basically comes from. Right? But
Very nice.
you're gonna be in for a treat, guy. Oh my god. And Emma too.
Yeah.
So my wife is also coming, and it's gonna be absolutely insane because she loves gom tam as well. And then I'm gonna bring her to the place where I had my favorite one. It is the most expensive gom tam I've ever had, but it is also the best. What's going on?
They are building here.
Oh,
Wow, the fame.
a party place with ancient Egyptian
Yeah,
signs.
but it's indoor. This means it's AC.
You think? I cannot think that they can cool down a huge building like that. Oh, what is this, by the way?
Back in the days, it was a coffee place.
hello.
Look at this.
Yeah, it was a coffee place, right? Now it's a nice Vietnamese restaurant. That might be very. Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Yeah, but I want to see the place, man. I want to see because it looks pretty nice here. It's called Fame. Oh no, it's actually already open. Look at this, all brand new. Oh, look at this. Hello. Beautiful. Very nice. No, we just want to film the restaurant. Okay.
Thank you.
He's shy.
I believe they are together.
Yeah. It's also Fame. Wow. I think this will be very popular. It feels like the Hofbräuhaus. that looks really wrong. All right, thank you. Yeah, but it looks like a Vietnamese Hofbräuhaus, right?
Okay.
But with an Egyptian thing, and then upstairs it looks very fancy. Yeah, stylish. I like it.
And then it's the Thai restaurant.
Oh, this is where I think that. Yeah. I have not tried this rice place yet. It's like Central Vietnamese rice dishes.
Did you ever try this one?
Many times. There was always my number one until couldn't eat it anymore. They also have they have lots of specials. The usual price is $3.79, but it can go all the way down to $2.49 because buy four, pay three. And also they have a sushi buffet. Yeah. Oh, we should try it out. I've never seen Wagyu there, but we should try it out. And this is like a lobster restaurant.
That looks fancy.
Yeah, I never seen many people in there, but yeah, because I think it's kind of pricey.
They have 3 floors.
Unlimited lobster buffet. How many lobster families can you eat? That's the question. Unlimited lobster buffet for 1.5 million Vietnamese dong. That means like around, but it's plus. That means plus service plus VAT. So then it's maybe probably 1.8 or something. Yeah. So.
Oh, man. It's so lovely. Hallelujah.
Marcus is finding money again.
As always, I'm a magnet.
Marcus is a money man. Is money Marcus only. He found so much money already. It's crazy. Marcus is the money Marcus.
Yeah.
Marketing money Marcus. Mr. Money Marcus.
I think the reason is because I make money for my clients, so they give me something back
Yeah.
through the universe.
Oh, that looks pretty nice
It's a new
too.
place. Hello.
Miri home. Hello. Very beautiful. Huh? I can't because I'm on diets, but it looks very pretty.
Yes.
Awesome. Look at this. This looks very rustical and nice. Yeah? Yeah, I can take a look, yeah. Awesome. Ooh, thank you. Oh, nice and cold here, guys. Miri Om. Hello. No, I just want to take a look. But, oh, you have inside as well.
Inside, outside, and upstairs.
This looks beautiful. 2 floors, and look at this. This is insane. Look at this. Ooh. And they have fresh seafood.
Excuse me, I have red seafood.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you even have seafood here.
I have lobster, I have crab and grouper. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then the kitchen is over there. Awesome.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, right?
You remember what it was before? Nothing.
Yeah, true.
This was nothing.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You want to go upstairs?
Oh no, it's okay. I will come back. I will come back.
Yes.
Have a good day. That's pretty nice here, man. They made a beautiful Vietnamese restaurant out of it here. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Yes. And you get some samples over here. Bye bye. Thank you. Lovely ladies. They even have steak here, Marcus. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
They have steak for
Tiger
219.
prawns is 220.
Huh. Interesting. All right. All right, guys. Yeah, beautiful. Brand new places here. Every few weeks something new opens here. This is kind of crazy. This is a, what is that? Indian restaurant. Open air? No. Indoor and outdoor. What is the price of the butter chicken? Chicken. Man, I have no idea about Indian food. I only know butter chicken. I feel like that's not even Indian, right? It's Indian maybe? I don't know where the butter chicken is. But I absolutely love butter chicken. I don't know. Maybe it's not for Western people.
They are famous. They say.
Okay.
Themselves. Famous.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here. And thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next one.